How to remove hidden content on BeReal. Quick tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to remove hidden content on BeReal. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you guys will open up your BeReal app, and this is where you will get. So you can see in our discover, I can see this hidden content option and it says post a BeReal to discover the picture. So once you open up a BeReal after 24 hours, this is what it will show you. How to remove this? In order to remove, you have to post a BeReal yourself. So you're gonna click on BeReal option like post a BeReal. Click on it and it will open up your camera. So you have to take a picture. There you go. Then you're going to click on send. You have to select send to my friends only, share my position or not. So you can check or uncheck different options. Click on send and your BeReal will be posted. Alright, so once it's posted, now if I go back to discover, you will be able to see the hidden content is removed. And now I can see and explore all of the BeReals right here. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.